Welcome. Today, we're diving into a simple yet incredibly useful feature on WhatsApp Web: how to view all shared media in a community right from your PC. Whether you're catching up on photos, videos, or documents, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to WhatsApp Web. Make sure you're logged into your account by scanning the QR code with your phone. Once you're in, you'll see all your chats and communities displayed on the left-hand side. Next, locate the community you want to explore. Communities are designed to bring multiple groups together under one umbrella, so find the specific community from your list and click on it to open. Now, at the top of the chat window, you'll see the name of the community. Click on it to open the contact or group info panel. This is where all the details about the community are stored, including shared media. In this panel, look for an option labeled Media, Links, and Docs. Click on it to access a categorized view of all the content shared within that community. This section is neatly organized into 3 tabs: Media, Links, and Docs. To view all shared media like photos and videos, simply click on the Media tab. Here, you'll find a gallery-style display of all the images and videos shared in that community. You can scroll through them and even download any file you need directly to your PC. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you can easily access all shared media in any WhatsApp community using WhatsApp Web. It's a fantastic way to stay organized and catch up on everything shared within your groups. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this guide helpful, share it with others who might need it. Stay connected and enjoy exploring your WhatsApp communities.